Here's how to scrape Mercari products with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Mercari scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press products in the list. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you'll extract. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on products in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-on section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.